Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So last night I got some grocery rations. Yesterday I'm so grateful for this set of groceries, and I thought that I'll just do this recording and to show exactly what I got. Not really boasting, but it's grateful. I think it came from overseas. I assume that maybe some people got together, maybe in a church and stuff, and they sent it to my family here in Tortola, and we got quite a bit. And I'm sure that if my other family members, which is quite large, if they got their portion and we got this large portion, they sent quite a bit, and I'm super grateful for this set of groceries. So let me share with you what we got today. All right, it's quite a bit. So this is one section. I have another section to show you, So I have here some spaghetti. This is a canola oil. This is some sardine here, about 3 tins of sardine, 2 tins of tomato paste. I got some tuna here. Tuna, this one is tuna and veggie. Tuna, pasta and veggie. This is regular tuna in the bottom here. We have a can of sweet corn, some chickpeas, chana, 3 granola bars. I'll have one for breakfast this morning. I have here some mac and cheese. My grandson will enjoy that. And to the back here, if you're seeing it here, I have some, this is all-purpose flour. Yes, and let me get to the rest of stuff to show you what I got. Okay, so here I have, this is 1 tub of rolled oats here. I have in the back here some brown sugar, tomato ketchup. This is pinto beans. I've never used this before. I have to experiment to see if I like that. This is a pack of rolled oats again. This is a chocolate mix, evaporated milk, Nestle Carnation. To the back here, I cover that up. Let me just move this up a bit. This is some crackers here, and this is some condensed milk. And to the back here is Vienna sausage, the spicy, hot and spicy says. Underneath that is some baked beans. To the back here, I have a large pack of rice. Okay, so here we go again. So this is 2 beautiful towels here, right? 2 bars of soap, and this is a small bottle of hand sanitizer. Another pack of spaghetti, and this is the back here is some chocolate tea, the Swiss brand of chocolate tea. And these are sold in the packets like. A box, maybe about 6 or 12 of them. There's normally been in a box. So this is a bag here with some of these packets. So yeah, that's it. I am so happy. I'm so grateful for this ration of groceries, guys. I really am appreciative of this. You don't know how I am so appreciative. I just wanted to express this and share this with you today. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.